Welcome to the fascinating world of 3D printing, where imagination becomes reality layer by layer. This innovative technology has revolutionized various industries, from manufacturing to healthcare, and continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. At its core, 3D printing utilizes additive manufacturing techniques to create three-dimensional objects from digital files, turning virtual designs into tangible artifacts. The process begins with designing a 3D model using specialized software. Once the digital blueprint is complete, it is sent to the printer, which meticulously deposits material layer by layer. This can include a variety of substances, from plastics and metals to ceramics and even living cells. The versatility of materials used is one of the highlights of 3D printing, allowing for everything from intricate toy designs to replacement organs. As a result of its accessibility, hobbyists and entrepreneurs alike are harnessing the power of 3D printing to produce customized items. This is evident in the rise of small businesses offering bespoke products or prototype services. Moreover, the ability to print on demand reduces waste and leads to more sustainable manufacturing practices. However, challenges like intellectual property protection and material limitations still exist and warrant careful consideration. As we look to the future, 3D printing holds remarkable potential to innovate education, design, and art. With continuous advancements, who knows what incredible creations await? Engage with this transformative technology and experience the freedom of design at your fingertips.